Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Office 2019 for free, legally using the official Microsoft tools that has no cracks or unauthorized methods. First, create a dedicated folder on your desktop for the installation files. To do that, simply right-click on your desktop, then select New and choose Folder. Name the folder as Office 2019. This will help to keep our installation files organized throughout the process. Next, open your browser and type Office Deployment Tool. Press your Enter. From the search result, click on this very first one. Download the Office Deployment Tool, which may go directly to the default folder directory of your PC. Once downloaded, you can just simply copy it or cut it to the Office 2019 folder that we've created on the desktop. Now click on Download. This has downloaded here for us. Now click on this. I can just simply cut it and go over to the desktop where we created Office 2019 and then paste it here. Next, let's open the Office customization tool to customize the installation files. To do that, open New tab on your browser and search for Office customization tools. From the search result, click on this very one to open the Office customization tool page. First, you need to select the architecture of your PC for the Office installation files, either 32-bit or 64-bit. You just need to choose the one that is the best match for your system configuration. For my own, it is 64-bit. Select the Office suite you wish to install. For this tutorial, we are going to select Office Professional Plus 2019 Volume License. Click on it. Under Apps, you are going to toggle apps on or off, which is dependent on the one you need. If you do not need OneDrive, you can just turn it off. If you don't need OneNote, you can turn it off. If you don't need Outlook, you can turn it off. If you don't need Publisher, you just simply turn it off. And then leave the ones you need in that Office suite that we want to install. For me, I need Access, Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Once you are done with that, click on Next. Then choose the language that is the best suit for you. For this purpose, we are going to choose English United States. Once you are done with that, just simply click on Next. Then scroll down, click on Next. Then you can just simply click on Next. Click on Next. Then click on Next. Then you click on Finish. Once you click on Finish, we are going to export the Office customization tool that we have customized for this installation. Do that by clicking on this Export, and you are going to choose Office Open XML format. Once you select this very one, click on OK. Here, accept the terms in the license agreement and click Export. Now this downloads to the folder directory of your system. Do well to copy it and paste in that our folder that we created on the desktop, which is Office 2019. Once you are done pasting this Office 2019 folder that we created here, you're going to right click on this and run it as administrator to extract the files here. Now you just wait, and from here now you are going to click and accept the Microsoft software license terms. click on continue. Then locate that particular folder that we have in the C drive, which is the Office 2019. Then you click OK. You can see that the setup and all the necessary files are already extracted from this. You can just leave it that way. If you are done, you go ahead and launch your CMD prompt. Now just right click and run it as administrator. Once you do that, you just come here and type CD, copy the file part of this Office 2019 that we created is folder on the C drive, come over here and then you paste it, then press your enter. Once you are done with that, you go ahead and write this and then press your enter. You wait for it to download and install in your PC. If you have a strong network, this will usually take just a couple of minutes. Wait for it while our Office 2019 gets downloaded and installed on our system, which is directly from the official website of Microsoft. And this is the legal way that you can follow to do this without breaking the rules. Let's hold on while the installation gets done. With this now, the Office 2019 is installed in our system. So this is just the legal way you can download and install Office 2019 legally from the official website of Microsoft. Now let's close this right now and let's check what we've installed. If you come over to the search bar and type Word, you will see that Word has been installed, and so it's opening right now for us to see exactly what we've installed. You can see you just click accept and start using Word. Now just click on this. Now you can just click on blank document. This shows it is being successfully installed. You can also type Excel to see what we have. You can see Excel and all the necessary packages that we've installed. They are all contained in this Office suite. So follow this way to install your Office 2019. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video. I would like to read your comment from the comment section. Do well to come back to my channel for the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.